Hey guys, welcome back to Just a Geek in the Garage. So today I want to talk about this Gerber Prybrid utility knife, or multi-tool as they call it. And basically, if you guys haven't seen anything like this, it's basically kind of like a utility knife that you would normally, kind of have with you with a pocket clip, but it has a few extra tools on it, which can be kind of cool as, I don't know if as an everyday carry necessarily, but maybe when you're working around the shop and things like that, it's nice to have just so you have a few kind of extra tools with you. I'm doing this video right now just because Milwaukee actually announced that they're coming out with a version that is very, very similar to this. It's kind of in pre-order right now. I don't think it comes out for another few weeks, but I'll put a picture of it, right here if I can, just to kind of show you what it looks like. But when I saw that one coming out, I saw this one as kind of a comparison, and I decided to pull the trigger because these things, they're pretty cool for kind of what they are, and they're not horribly expensive. Depending on when you get this thing, Amazon sells it usually anywhere from about 15, 20 bucks, sometimes a little more, sometimes a little less. Comes in a bunch of different colors, and the color sometimes will really make a difference on how much you pay for it. Even though I'm a green guy, as you guys can see here, I ended up going with this kind of like darker blue, like a grayish blue, just because the pricing was way better than all of the other colors, at least at the time that I bought this guy. So if you guys are not familiar with a Prybrid utility tool, I know it's kind of a mouthful. So this is it right here. For you guys that know, Gerber is a very good. It's like a knife company, multi-tool company. I have quite a few of their things, and I've always been pretty happy with what I got with them. So what this one says right here, if you look at the packaging, it's 8 tools, exchangeable parts, slide lock, bottle opener, pocket belt clip. And if we look at the back here, it kind of shows you exactly what it is, what the 8 tools basically are. And then for those of you that are curious, since I get this question on most of my videos, this thing shows it was engineered in Oregon, but it was made in China, if that matters to you. So, looking through this here, I'll kind of look at this diagram while we're looking at this guy right here. So you have obviously your full-size utility blade. That just comes out right here, just kind of by pressing this thing down. And then you also have, even when it's closed, you have your cord cut notch. So if you need to cut paracord or something else, you got it right over here. You got your pocket clip, if you want to wear it around on your tool belt or in your pocket or what have you. You have your bottle opener right over here. You have the pry bar, which is what makes this the Prybrid tool. So a little pry bar. That's actually the thing that kind of got me about this guy, is that, having a knife when you're kind of walking around in the workshop or whenever you're kind of just working around. Obviously, a knife is one of the most useful things, but sometimes having a nice pry bar is something that's great to have as well. And then, within the pry bar itself is a few extra tools. So they kind of consider this right here a large flat driver and a small flat driver. So basically just like a slotted screwdriver, which works, and I'll show you guys that in a second. In the middle, they consider this a nail puller, but also a wire stripper. And then you have a hole right there in the middle for a lanyard. And that's pretty much, all the features that you have on this. So again, this video is probably going to be a fairly quick one here today, but just wanted to kind of show this thing off for anyone that's maybe never heard of a Prybrid tool, or somebody that's been looking for something that, again, you got, a knife that you're carrying around with you, and you have, a little pry bar, again, very, very useful. So let me kind of show you. The knife, there's not much to talk about. It's just, a regular utility blade right here, which, takes pretty much any utility blade that you can purchase and pops right in here. For those of you curious about the overall sizing, this right here, these squares on this are about 1 inch. So you can see right there, it's right around about 4.5 inches or so. And then kind of compared to the Milwaukee Fastback, if you guys are familiar, it's almost the same length when you factor in the little pry bar. And the thickness is not that far off, although it is a bit thinner. Pocket clips, all that kind of good stuff. And again, really kind of what got me intrigued in this guy is the fact that Milwaukee was coming out with one. And like I said, hopefully I was able to put a picture of the one that's coming out. But, not a bad little tool to kind of carry around with you. I've been trying this out. I got this thing maybe a couple of weeks ago or so, and I've been playing around with it ever since. And it definitely has been useful. And then as you can see right here, so you got the little pry bar, obviously. And then this is just kind of a little test rig that I have that I always use for screwdrivers. But you can definitely, use that as a slotted screwdriver, as well. So tell me, have you guys used these kind of tools before? Have you heard about the Milwaukee one that's coming out? Are you guys excited about it? I will likely, purchase it once maybe it's available on Amazon. Right now, I've only seen it like on Acme Tools and stuff like that, and they usually charge an extra shipping fee. And the fact that, it's a fairly inexpensive tool, I don't like to have to pay shipping on something like that. So, leave in the comments again if you guys have tried this before, maybe if this thing has failed on you, or if you really like it. All comments are kind of welcome when it comes to this. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.